Okay, hello and welcome back to Dreadlock Centric, and I'm back today with a topic on dandruff and how to treat dandruff in your locks. This is a great topic to discuss, and the reason I think this is a great topic to discuss is because dandruff can be very embarrassing, and dandruff can slow down your hair locking process. It's a great topic to discuss because dandruff can also slow down your hair growth. The reason I think that is because you have oil, you have dirt, you have residues all clogging your hair shaft. So this can cause your lock to itch, and that can be very frustrating. Okay, so that's why I say take care of your locks, take care of your scalp, because to have a healthy locks you need to have a healthy scalp. So with that said, I'm going to go straight into the video to show you 3 easy steps on how you can get rid of dandruff completely. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, now your first treatment option will be tea tree oil. Yes, now tea tree oil has been medically proven, not by me, to be a natural anti-disinfectant, and because of its antiseptic properties, this makes it an awesome oil for treatment of dandruff. So what you will need to do is mix 10 drops tea tree oil into your what you normally do. After shampooing your locks, mix 1 tablespoonful of tea tree oil into a cup of water, spray on your scalp, let it for 15 minutes, and then pat out the extra moisture from your hair. You don't have to rinse it out, just let that be. You can do this say once or twice a week, and that's it. Now your second treatment option will be to make your own anti-dandruff spray. Yes, and it's an easy one. To make your own anti-dandruff spray, you're going to need a 20-ounce water, 15 drops of rosemary oil, and 15 drops of tea tree oil. Mix in your spray bottle. Spray your scalp with it when needed, as needed at the sign of dandruff. So that's it for your second option. And now the third option will be the use of apple cider vinegar. Oh my goodness, this apple cider vinegar is
my clothes out there. Did you wash it or what?
Which one?
The makeup.
So your third treatment option will be with the use of apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar is a very good treatment for dandruff. So what you will need to do is mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to 2 cups of water. Mix in your spray bottle. I know, spray bottle. Yes, and then spray your scalp, spray your locks with it. Let it for say 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse out. After which you will want to do a light moisturizing, because apple cider vinegar tends to dry out your locks, so dry out your hair. So do a light moisturizing using jojoba oil or coconut oil, and that's it. Now I have found these 3 treatment options very helpful. So to give it a try, and drop your comments down below to let us know your results. And if you have tried any of the treatment options before, also do leave your comments and let us know how long it took to get the dandruff completely. Okay, so I want to say thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and to subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.